We're just making sure that she can do it while she's blinded. Once we see that she's able to do this, the reason that we have the lines through the shaft loops is to have our lines lower, so if she freaks out, we can grab her by the butt. What I mean is she can't face me here because I have that line around her butt, so if she tried to turn towards me, I could pull her away. This is very important. A lot of horses that have natural horsemanship and have been colt started well, they always want to face up. And because they want to face up, they try to face up with a cart, which is not good. We want them to go straight and we want them to go forward.